From the company provider, generic, are hand warmers, 2000 milliamps, 3 hours of quick charge, 6, 8, and 12 hours of runtime. With 3 temperatures, low, medium, high, from 90 degrees all the way up to 131 Fahrenheit. 2 to 3 seconds of warmth. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside, how nicely it's presented to you, packaged and wrapped, USB-C charging cable, the hand warmers, small and compact, and they snap together by matching up as one. The charging port, the on button by turning on a long press with the red light, 2 red light, 3 red light, and back to 1, and long press for off. Pulling apart is simply sliding. Charging via USB, power bank, optional bricks, and more. Computer and so forth by plugging in up to 3 hours of fully charging. A single blue light on each, 3 hours later, charge. 33 1/3% per each light of the 3 lights. When they're fully charged, please remove off of the power supply. As a unit, shows minimal heat. Let's turn the unit on by a long press and how quickly it heats up. The face of the unit is the only place it gets hot while the back stays cool. They're a one-sided heater. We're at 110 degrees, 117, 120. We're at the maximum heat level. Hand warmers. Put in the pocket, camping, hiking, walking the dog, or combining the hand warmer by a simple snap and keep your hands warm. Gloves. Separation and placing inside a glove. And slipping on. Hand warmers. So if you're looking for a set of hand warmers for outdoor activities while watching sports and more, these hand warmers may be something that you are after. One-sided hand warmers to keep your hands warm, to make a two-sided hand warmer by grabbing and placing on 3 levels of heat from 90 all the way up to 130 degrees. Enjoy your hand warmers from 6, 8, and 12 hours of use. Thank you for viewing.